Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Hey, today we're going to talk about a little tool from Temu. So I decided to dip my toes into what is Temu and buy a couple of tools from there and see what it's all about and see if there was anything worth a flip on there. So this is the first tool I picked up. I'll give you a close-up picture of it later, and we're going to talk about it a little bit. Stay tuned. So here it is in all its glory. It's got a 1/4-inch drive on one end and a 1/4-inch bit driver on the other. It's fine tooth, I believe 72 tooth. It's a reversible and it's got a quick release on it. First thing I noticed is the action. Let's see if you can hear this. I'll do this here at my mic. So the action is very stiff. Back drag is very stiff, but it also hasn't had any oil put on it. We'll do this again here. This hasn't had any oil or anything put on it. It looks like a nice little tool. It actually fits well. So everything seems to fit well. The bits fit well. They don't fall out. So that's good. But I'm sitting here looking at it, and I've got a socket on here, and I might go grab another socket. This one might be a little more, but there's all this slop on it. And I don't like that. See, that one was a little tighter. But this is a quick release ratchet. So let's get another socket. That one's old SK, and it might have been beat on a little bit. Let's try something a little newer, a little nicer. Let's try this Allen. It's an Allen 1/4-inch socket. There's only a little bit of play on this one, and it don't come off quite as easy. There is a lot of play in this. I'm not sure how I feel about that. So this tool, I think it was about $5. And then they do all this, $1 off, free tool, free this, free that. I think it ended up costing me about $5. I bought like 18 things, and everything cost me, averaged out to about $5. And everything was about a $5, item. So would I buy this again? Well, first of all, I found the exact same thing on Amazon for just a few dollars more. So no, I wouldn't buy it again. It's probably not even worth your time. Your best bet is to buy a kit, and I'll put some suggestions down below from Amazon. I wouldn't buy this. I would probably I would either buy a kit off of Amazon that was Vim, or I would go to Harbor Freight and buy their little bit driver set, which will do both. That's it for this video. Just kind of a short one, a little overview on these Temu tools, okay? Y'all take care.